Hello and welcome back. In this next video, you're going to learn about setting an intention, and you'll have your first experience with a guided healing touch practice. Now, once you've had an opportunity to check in with yourself, like you did in the first video with Judy's guided practice, you can begin to start asking yourself some reflective questions. So for example, you may say, or may ask, how can I best support myself in this moment? What is it that my body, my mind, or my heart need right now? And this actually is the process of starting to set an intention, which is the act of identifying a specific outcome. Now, when first learning to set an intention, this next simple and quick exercise can be really helpful. So I want you to use your imagination and start to visualize your best self. That could be a time in your life when you felt the most creative and artistic, or maybe healthy and strong, or just calm, clear-headed. Whatever that looks like for you, it's going to be different for everybody. And I want you to get a very clear image of that in your mind. And I want you to really feel how that feels in your body. Because as you're doing this, you're developing a tool that you'll be able to use to help you know how it is you want to be and feel in this world. And this will guide you then in creating your intention for your self-healing practice. Now, more specifically, let's say you want to focus on a physical aspect. Let's say you have a painful shoulder. So then your intention may sound like, may my shoulder be free of pain and move optimally. Or perhaps it's something more mental or emotional. Maybe you've experienced a loss recently. So the intention may sound more like, may I feel at ease and peace in my heart. So this brings us to our final guided healing touch practice, where we're going to bring all of these components together to demonstrate how we can use healing touch as self-care. So let's get back into a comfortable position, whether that's sitting down or lying on your bed or the floor. Now, once you've landed there, I want you to take a few cleansing breaths. I want you to really feel your feet on the floor or your back being supported by a surface. Feeling safe and supported in the space that you are in. I invite you to either close your eyes or soften your gaze and take a few more centering breaths. Now take a moment and identify a part that needs your attention and support in this moment. It might be something with your physical body, or it might be an emotional or mental need at this time. Now set your healing intention for this practice. Now I invite you to place your hand on this part. And if it's something emotional or mental, you can simply place your hand on your heart or your head, or even just have your hands comfortably in your lap. And I want you to start visualizing sending healing energy to that part. And if it's not comfortable to reach that part with your hands, no problem. Simply use your imagination to start visualizing that warm, healing energy flowing to that part that needs your attention and support in this moment. We're going to stay here for a few moments, continuing to breathe, continuing to send that warm, healing energy to ourselves. Can you feel the weight of your hands on your body? Maybe sense warmth flowing from your hands to yourself. Or maybe you see it. Maybe you can see the healing energy flowing to you. Rest here for a few more moments, receiving the healing energy, recalling the intention that you set for yourself, continuing to breathe. Now, as we end this practice, is there a kind thought or word you would like to offer to yourself? Some people simply say, "Thank you, I notice you." Give that to yourself now. And when you are ready, you can slowly start to bring your attention and your awareness back to this time, this space, wiggling your toes, slowly opening your eyes when you feel ready. And let's take one moment to check back in. Do you feel any differently than when you first started this practice? Maybe you feel a little bit more calm or rested, or even refreshed and energized. So this completes our healing touch practice as self-care. Please feel free to visit this video as many times as you desire as you strengthen your healing touch practice. We look forward to seeing you in our next video as you learn more about healing touch and how it can support your whole health.